make some grilled pineapple skewers on the Weber Kettle using the Vortex. I'm going to start out by chopping the top off, placing that to the side. Then you're going to chop the bottom off. And then I'm going to stand it up here, cut it in half. And then you're going to cut each of these pieces in half, and then cut all those pieces in half. We'll worry about taking the skin off later. You're not going to get it perfect. All the pieces I mess up, I just chop up and eat while I'm doing this. You just want to make sure they're thick enough that you can stick a skewer through it. Gonna be some good eating here, boy. So let's clean this out of the way. If you didn't notice, I just chopped that skin off of those wedges I made. Pretty simple. Get some skewers, start sticking them in long ways. Try to keep them as uniform in size as you can. It's not a big deal with these because they're going to cook real fast. Now for the good part. We got some light brown sugar. We're just going to sprinkle that on there, cake it in. Get as much as you can. The pineapple is going to soak a lot of that up. This is the good part here. Now a little ground cinnamon. Don't go too crazy with it, but you know, it tastes good mixed in with that brown sugar. And just keep doing that with all of them. Coat all the sides. And we're going to let them rest in the refrigerator for about an hour. And it's going to soak all that stuff up into the pineapple. So here I got my Weber Kettle, 22-inch. Got the Vortex in there. And I already cooked some chicken, ate it for dinner. And I'm coming back out now to throw this pineapple on. It was sitting in my fridge. That Vortex in the center puts out a lot of heat. So these are going to cook pretty fast. You don't want to burn them, you just want to get a little grill mark, maybe some char. Get all that brown sugar and cinnamon to turn into liquid gold. And this process of cooking them will maybe take you a minute at the most at this temperature. And there you have it, folks. Some grilled pineapple on the Weber Kettle using the Vortex. Little brown sugar and cinnamon. Oh, it's good. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.